When choosing ornamental plantings, color may be the first element to consider. Color can be used to create an overall mood and define space. But most importantly, color should reflect your personal taste. Purple coneflower is a perennial with long-lasting flowers and a golden spiny center. With its clumping habit, purple coneflower can be used to create bursts of lavender. By grouping purple coneflower with the cultivar white swan and a native grass like sea oats, you can generate layers of color in early summer. If the goal is to cover a large area with a single color, then turn to the black-eyed Susan. Preferring full sun, flowers will bloom from June through September. Deadheading will extend bloom time, but leave final blooms to mature into seed. Black-eyed Susan, framed with the subdued greens and creamy whites of smooth hydrangea and sweet bay magnolia, define the path through this cozy space. Milkweed, a host plant for the monarch butterfly, comes in a wide range of colors. Common milkweed, growing best in dry soil, offers a pink or pale purple. Butterfly milkweed, in dry and moist soil, can range from a deep yellow to a bright orange. And swamp milkweed, a lover of moist and wet soil conditions, provides bright pink hues. For more information on gardening with native plants, visit Adkins Arboretum.